I guess all the rain we've had. This is Cedar Creek. Here we go. All the dead nettles. You can make pesto with these. Something so calming about flowing water.
Safe to go.
Yeah. I'm gonna assume somebody picked this up so nobody steps on it. It's a good place to put it, I guess.
Oh, if this might make it more comfortable.
Half a portal. For the ferries. A little bit of water back there. Another little waterfall-ish. There it is. Tuberculosis forever. I think it's about a mile through this park. Pause the video to read if you want to. It's not that treacherous, but when you're trying to cross it, yeah, it feels like it. Because the rocks kept shifting, and I didn't want to get my feet wet, but I did anyway, so whatever. And you got the little overhang here. A lot of trees down. This is a place to hang out. Some people swim here or wade. That used to be a little hut, actually. I gotta see a picture, a thing of that. The trees out there. That was actually somebody had I guess. It's been there forever. Nope. I'm still half searching for morels. Supposedly this would be a good spot, but I don't see any, and I haven't seen any so far. This too. Okay, and we're up on the other bridge. There's two through here. Stay close on the path. And then we're coming up to the swimming areas when the weather's better. Sun coming down off of the mountain. We've had a heavy rain season, so it's a little more, a little higher than it's been. was a little bit. One of the perfect places to dip in when the weather's hot, right here. Watch out for water snakes. This is really all the further I go, just up here a little bit. There's a little fairy thing. Fairy house. Go back to the swimming area. Oh no. Actually haven't encountered anyone on this trail today. It is Easter, probably people are having dinner right now. So yeah, this is really the end of the trail. No, I just said that, but this is. So some people have crossed over here to that other side, kind of where the wall, the mossy wall is. I had a friend that went up there, and hanging from the trees are animal bones. So I don't go up there. And I think there is a sign, no trespassing, up a little further. I see a little building up there, but yeah. And people hunt back here too, apparently.
Gonna go up there.
All right, let's go back. Low key, well, and high key. I really like it back here. It's peaceful. Just with the moss on that wall, it feels like something out of time to me. I don't know. Let me know, like, if you feel the same way, finding little areas like this. Back from whence we came. Splashy splash.